Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to pin a message in a WhatsApp group. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the WhatsApp on your phone screen and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, open a group where you want to pin your message. Now here we are in the demo group and I will pin one of these messages in this group. So what you need to do is simply select a message that you want to pin and then from the top right side tap on the three vertical dots. In this menu you can see the third option, which is pin. Tap on it and a new pop-up will show on the screen. Select the time duration for how long you want to pin the message. You can choose a day, a week or a month to pin the message. I will go with the third option and then tap on pin. And that's it. This is how you can pin a message in WhatsApp group in just a few simple steps. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.